Before you even speak, people judge you. And in this video, I'll show you exactly how to fix your body language. And I'll demonstrate every step. This is how most people stand. Notice the lakad sen. Angkat dua, dugol as stiff in your spine. I've been a string pulling you up. Lift your chin slightly. Not too high, just confident. Relax your shoulders. Relaxed, not stiff. See the difference? Now let's talk about your hands. This destroys confidence. Number 1, keep your hands as still when listening. Number 3, keep your hands as visible. Sway hands, calm on mind. Eye contact changes everything. This feels unsure. Calm eyes create strong presence. Now watch how you walk. This shows anxiety. Number 1, slow your pace. Number 2, steady steps. Number 3, keep head level. Walk like you belong. Attractiveness is not a box. It's about energy. Fix your posture, control your hands, ask the eye contact, walk with chirps, and people feel your confidence before you even speak.